Hello everyone, welcome to Explorer Hop. Let's solve cos x squared minus 1 equals to 0 on the interval 0 to pi. So the first thing let's do is draw out the graph for cos of x, and we get 1 minus 1, something like that. That would give us pi here, 2 pi here. Alright, so let's start solving this. So we have cos squared of x minus 1 equals to x is equal to 0. Then just remember that a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b into a plus b. We can use this property to write this down as cos x whole squared minus 1 squared equals to 0, which can be further written down as cos of x plus 1 into cos of x minus 1. Remember, we're just writing it down in this form. Now that we have that, we can simply solve this. This becomes cos of x plus 1 equals to 0 and cos of x minus 1 equals to 0. Therefore, we get cos of x equals to minus 1 and cos of x equals to plus 1. Okay, so now we have to look at our interval, which is 0, which is 0 here, to 2 pi, which is here. So in this interval, when is cos of x 1 and minus 1? So let's take a look at that. So cos of x is minus 1 at this point at pi, and cos of x is 1 at 0, and cos of x is 1 at 2 pi. Therefore, our answer would be 0, pi, and 2 pi. So we will write this down: 0, pi, and 2 pi. These are the values of cos of x that we get. So let's move on to the next part, which is solve 2 sine squared of x plus 4 sine x plus 2. To solve this question, we can say that sine of x equals to x basically, and then we can solve, or let's say is equals to y, and then we can solve this as 2y squared plus 4y plus 2 equals to 0. Then we can solve this how we usually solve any quadratic equation, and we can write this down as, we know 2 times 2 will give us 4. So we need to figure out a number that adds up to 4 but also multiplies to 4. So 2 plus 2 equals to 4, and 2 times 2 equals to 4. Therefore we get 2y squared plus 2y plus 2y plus 2 equals to 0. We can take the common factors out, which is 2y. This becomes y plus 1 plus 2y plus 1 equals to 0. And we get 2y plus 2 times y plus 1 equals to 0. We can solve for y, which gives us y, 2y plus 2 equals to 0. Therefore y equals to minus 2 over 2, which is y equals to minus 1. And this gives us y plus 1 equals to 0. Y is equals to minus 1. So therefore our answer is y equals to minus 1. So sine of x equals to minus 1. And now we can make the sine graph. The sine graph is drawn out like this. where this is 1, this is -1, this is 0, this is pi, and this is 2 pi, this is pi by 2, this is 3 pi by 2. So where is sine x equals to -1? If we're looking at just the interval from 0 to 2 pi. So sine of x is -1 at 3 pi by 2. And that's our answer. Thank you for joining us. I hope to see you in the next lesson.